So we're doing some doors. Not these. This isn't ours. This isn't our install. Look at this. Oh boy, that's a real nice job. Look at the end of the door there. Oh man. And kind of beat up there. And the roll is really, really bad. Not smooth at all. Look at a mess there. Yeah, we don't build doors like this. Hang on, I'll show you ours. And so here's the door we put in. And here's how it should be at the floor. And the roll of this door is real nice and smooth. Just exactly what it's supposed to do. Again, let's go back and look at this one. I don't know where this came from, but let's look at the roll of this. It doesn't roll. You gotta keep pulling and pulling on it.
Hi, this is country and bluegrass artist Billy Droves, and I proudly endorse Tennessee Barn Doors. From design to install, Tennessee Barn Doors does it all. Locally owned and operated right here in beautiful Music City, Tennessee, are some of the finest interior and exterior barn doors that you can ever apply to your home. For more information, visit us at TennesseeBarnDoors.com.